Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Yarn. Let's crochet this cute hamburger. Pull the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called magic ring. Insert your hook into magic ring, yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. We should make 6 single crochet into our magic ring like this. After 6 single crochet, just tie the yarn and insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over and pull through. This is called slip stitch. Chain 1, make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. This is called increase. We should make in this row increase or 2 single crochet into the same stitch, and in the end of each row we should make slip stitch like this. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over and pull through. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch or increase. Follow this pattern for this row. Chain 1. In this row we are making 1 single crochet, next stitch 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch 1 increase. Follow this pattern for this row. And in the end, just chain 1, cut the yarn and tie it. This is our tomato. And just like this, fasten off. And tomato and burger have the same pattern. Follow the same pattern for these 2 pieces. For lettuce, crochet until row 3 and next chain 4. Insert your hook and make slip stitch. Again, next stitch, slip stitch, and again chain 4, slip stitch into the same stitch. Again, next stitch, slip stitch, chain 4, and follow this pattern till the end. For bottom bread, crochet until row 4 and row 5. We should make chain 1 and making each stitch just 1 single crochet. For cheese, pull the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through and tie it. This is called slip knot. And just chain 9 like this. Skip 1 chain and start from next chain and make a single crochet. We should make in each stitch 1 single crochet. Total 8 single crochet like this. And chain 1, turn your work, and again making each stitch 1 single crochet. Total 8 single crochet. Follow this pattern for 8 rows and chain 1, cut the yarn, tie it. For top bread, crochet until row 4 and row 5 to row 6, chain 1 and making each stitch 1 single crochet. And after that, just chain 1 and make 1 single crochet. Next stitch 1 single crochet. Insert your hook in front loops of 2 next stitches and yarn over and pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called decrease. Next row, chain 1 and 1 single crochet and 1 decrease like this. Follow this pattern for this row. In next, we fill our work like this, and after that in this row we're making just decreases and chain 1, guide the yarn like this, grab your needle and sew your front loops like this, and in the end just tie the yarn and sew it and fasten off like this. Grab your white yarn and your scissor and like this make your sesame like this. Just sew it like you see. Now you have all pieces together. I stick pieces with glue. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.